Hi everybody, I hope you are fine, you are watching this video. Today I am going to continue our lesson. Until today we did all of the units, all of the workbook parts and also our book parts, our grammars. Today I want to continue from unit 11. If you have the book, 9th grade students, please open your Think A2 book, unit 11 and page, this is page, which page? I'm going to tell you. Page 104. Please open page 104. I'm going to talk about grammar part first. Will and won't. We talked about it before, but today I'm going to talk about it again to review the grammar. When we are going to use will and won't form. We are using will and won't for future, but just for prediction form. You know that we have lots of future forms, be going to, continuous, present simple, but this will and won't is just for prediction. What is prediction? For example, now the weather is sunny. Yes, I know that weather is sunny. It's not going to rain or it's not going to snow. So what I'm going to say, I said that it won't snow tomorrow. Yes, I'm going to predict it. I understand that the weather is sunny, everything is okay. So it's not reasonable that it's going to snow or it's going to rain. Yes, I said that tomorrow it won't be rainy or it won't be snowy. But if it's cloudy, now the weather is cloudy, it's cold, I understand that I'm going to predict. Yes, I'm going to predict that maybe tomorrow it will rain or it will snow. Yes, so predict is something that we are not sure about it, but we think that it may happen. Yes, it's something, prediction. Let's check the exercises grammar, you will understand better. So look at here, the rule part. All the time we start with rule part. Yes, rule part is important for us, then we will do the exercises. So use will or won't. What do you think? Here I am going to write will. Do you remember I said I'll, you'll, will. It's the short form of the will. And will not is the won't or will not. Yes, we can use won't or will not, both of them. This is the short form, this is the longer form of will not, negative form of the sentences, plus base form. Please remember, all the time we use, for example, it will rain, I will go, she will come, she will study. Yes, all the time we use base form of the verb, not ing, not s, not anything. Yes, just with base form of the verb. To make prediction about the future. This is future form. Yes, all the time we talk about the future. It will rain, it will snow, it will come, she will come, he will come. Yes, we predict. It may happen or not. We don't know about it. Yes, we are not sure. It's not 100%. Maybe it will happen. Maybe she will come. Maybe she will study. I'm not sure about it. Yes, just I predict. Maybe it happened 50%. Maybe not. Let's first complete this table and then we will do here. We have positive, negative, question and short answer. And also we have long answer. We don't need to do it now. One by one we will check. For positive ones, look at here all the pronouns we have. Yes, I, you, will, they, she, he, it. It's not different. For all of them we use the same way. Just will or won't plus base form of the verb. For example, I, you, we, they, he, she, will come or short form. Look at here, for short form just we have here apostrophe and double L. Yes, this is the short form. Both of them if you write in the exam are true. And for negative form, again I, you, we, they, he, she, it, will not, or here I can write won't. Yes, if you can say all of them as you see here are true. Yes, won't or will not, there is no problem, you can write all of them. So this is our positive and negative. What about question? How we can make question? We're just going to put here will. Yes, here pay attention. Here you cannot write, you cannot use the short form. Yes, because here we need to write the longer form. I mean that here we need to write will or won't for the question form. Yes, for the question form just we use here. So will you come, will she come, will he come, will they come? Yes, all of them are same. Our pronouns here are same. And what about our short answer? Yes, it's the positive answer. Yes, we want to say yes. For example, I will come, she will come. You can say yes, I will come. This is the long answer form. Yes, she will come, she will go. Or yes, I will. Yes, you will. Yes, she will. It means she will, you will, I will. This is the short form, yes? You don't need to write come here. Short answer and long answer, both of them are true. Just here, because we talk about, for example, you can hear yes, I will. What does it mean? When I say I will, what is the question? Will you come with me, for example, tomorrow? You say, yes, I will. What does it mean? Means, yes, I will come. Yes, she will come. Yes, you will come. If you write come here, it's true. If not, no problem. You can, it's up to you. You can write long or short. What about the negative form? Look at here, we have no. So it make it negative. No, I will not, or I won't. Yes, I told you. As here, you can write won't or will not. No, you won't. No, we won't. No, they won't. All of them. So it's not like present simple or present continuous to make s, to add ing. Just here we use will for positive form and won't for negative form. Just that much. And for prediction, all the time, remember just this will and won't is for prediction, not other parts of the future tense. Now look at here. You are going to write will or will. Look at here, short form, or won't here. Our fingers will get longer. If you remember, this is about the last page, about page 103, our reading part. Because it's about this, just I'm going to check the answer. It's not that much important. Or they will have to do more work together. More work together. Maybe the reading is now also I don't remember, for example, what is the reading about. So, but here just I want to show you that you can write both short form or long form, or will or won't. Or our muscles won't be as strong as now. Maybe in the future, now for example, our muscles are so strong, we are so strong, but in the future maybe our muscles won't be strong. We are not sure, yes, we predict that in the future it's not going to happen, it won't happen. Because why? Because we don't do a lot of physical work. Nowadays everybody is at home, yes, you are not doing so physical works, you are not practice, you are not exercise, yes. Because of that, maybe in the future our muscles won't be as strong as now. So come here, part 3, again we are going to put will and or double L just like this, won't and the verb. So you are going to choose, we have some of the verbs here, get, stay, go, see, give, be, help. We are going to use the correct one and add will or won't. It means positive or negative. Let's start it. What we have here, Alice said that, oh Marks, it's the French test tomorrow. I hate French. I'm sure I won't get the answer right. Why? Here Alice said that, Alex, my French is not good. All the time, for example, I have problem with my French test. Because of that, I think that I won't get the answers right. I won't do it because it's difficult for me. She guesses here, yes, she guesses that tomorrow's exam will be so difficult, so she won't get the good answer, she won't get the good mark, for example, there. What's Mark going to say? Don't worry, you will be fine. Look at here, be is one of our verbs here, yes? You will be fine. You got a good result in your last test. So in the last exam, Alice got the good test, yes, the good point in the test. So because of that, Mark predicts, say that, okay, because your last exam was good, you had good result, maybe in tomorrow's exam you will be fine, you will get good result. Here Mark predict because of the last exam. Then Alice said, yes, but this is more difficult. I really don't feel well. Maybe I won't go to school tomorrow. Why? Because Alice thinks that he is not as much good as French, like as English, for example, as mathematics. And she predicts that tomorrow's exam will be so difficult, so she won't pass it. She won't do it. And she said that maybe because I can't read it, because I can't study it, maybe tomorrow I won't go to school or I won't come to school. I will stay in bed all day. So she predicts that because tomorrow she doesn't want to come to school, she wants to stay at home, she doesn't want, yes, it's obvious that Alice doesn't want to do tests, so she said that maybe I won't go to school and I will stay in bed or at home. Then Mark said, that won't help you. The teacher will give you the test on Wednesday. So, okay, tomorrow you won't come to school, tomorrow you won't have the test, but it's not going to help you. It won't help you because the other day, on Wednesday, on Thursday, the other day, the teacher will give you the test on Wednesday. So you are going to do it. You will do it in other day. So it won't help you. It's a prediction. Maybe also teacher won't give the exam. Maybe teacher won't say that you have to do it. But this is Mark's prediction. Then what Alice say? You are right. But what can I do? I'm not good at French. What can I do? Well, how you can help me? Why don't I come round to your place this afternoon after school? We can do some French together. So here Marx want to help Alice, yes, by the French test. You will see that it's not so difficult. So you will understand that it's not that much difficult. Yes, you can see. You will do it. So Mark wants to help Alice here to do the exam together. Yes, so you will see. What does it mean here? You will see means you will understand. Here means you will understand. All the time see is not just see, look at something. Sometimes it means understand. So you will see that it's not so difficult. Then Alice say, oh, thanks, Mark. So we don't know that maybe Alice tomorrow will go to school or won't go to school. Yes, all of them here are prediction. They are not. Alice and Mark are not sure about the exam tomorrow. What will happen? Alice will come to school, won't come to school, will have exam on the other day. Because all the parts are prediction, we use here will or won't for this. Now look at here. This part is work in pairs, act out the conversation in exercise 3. You can at the home, for example, you're at home with your sisters, with your brothers, or you can call your friends. On the phone, you can have like a conversation like this, yes, to understand this grammar better. For example, one of the students can call another student and talk about this grammar and have a conversation like this. Not exactly this, but you can have a conversation like this. Now it's better go to workbook page 100. From here, I'm going to go to workbook page 100 here. What we have here, this is also unit 11 but workbook. Now I want to do some of the tests. Part 3. First part 3, look at here. I'm going to make it bigger for you to zoom. So, now we are going to complete the question, use the will future form of the verbs because our grammar, our lesson is about will. Again here we are going to do this exercise to understand it better. So again here we have some verbs, yes. We are going to fill the blanks. What will you learn to drive? Or sorry, when will you learn to drive? Yes, when will you learn to drive? For example, I asked this question, you said that I will learn to drive, for example, bicycle or car when for example, when I'm 18 years old. When I finish school, I will learn to drive. When I finish university, I will learn. It's up to you, yes? Everybody's answer can be different. Now look at number 1. In another country, which one do you think? Here we said will, because this is a question form, we have to start it with will. Will you ever live in another country? Look at here. It's about the future. Yes, what do you think? Will you ever live in another country? Maybe you said that yes, I will live in Europe, I will live in France, I will live in London, maybe for example 10 years later or next year or after finishing my school. Yes, this is about the future. You think that maybe you will live in another country or maybe no, I won't live in another country. I will live in Turkey until end of my life. Yes, the answers are different. So here again question. Will you ever have a sports car? Maybe sometimes I ask this question from boys, yes? The boys like sports car too much, yes? All the boys are like this. I said that, for example, student A, will you ever have a sport car? What do you think? After finishing school, after finishing university, or maybe 10 years later, or when you have a lot of money, yes, when you have enough money, will you ever have a sports car? You said that, no, I don't think so. I will have another car, for example, normal car, for example, not car, a house. Or the other said that, yes, I will have. Definitely, I will have a sport car. You predict that after having your money or finish school, you will have a sport car. And number 3, how many children will you have? How many children will you have? For example, you said that I will have 3 children, for example, 3 years later. I will have 4 children when I get married. This is up to you, yes? We are talking about how many children will you have in the future, you predict. Or one of the students, for example, said, I won't have any children. I don't like children, so I won't have. All of it up to you. Yes, some of you like children so much, some of you don't like. So you can say, I will have blah, 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 for example, 2, 3 children, or I won't have it. When do you think you will get married? Sometimes I ask this question in this class, yes? When do you think you will get married? One of you said that after finishing school, as soon as I finish the school, I will get married, then I have children. One of them said, no, I really don't like to get married, so I won't get married after finishing the school, yes? So it's up to you, or maybe 10 years later, 2 years, 3 years, all of them, it's up to you when get married. So then answer this question. Really, I'm interested to know your answers. What are they? Do you want to get married? Will you get married or not? Or will you have children or sports car? All of them. Also here, look at them. These are just example sentences. You can write other sentences for yourself, yes? You can write some sentences, ask your question, give answer, lots of things to practice this grammar. And the last one, will you go to university after school? I think that everybody's answer is yes. Yes, yes, I will. Look at here. Here also you can use short answer or long answer. Yes, yes, I will, or yes, I will go to university. It's up to you. I will go to university. I will finish my lesson. I will, for example, go to other country and continue my lesson. All of them. Look at here. You can answer whatever you want. Just practice with your friends, with your family, with your sister, brother. Just practice. These are the same ones. And come here, one more thing. It's also interesting exercise. You have to again complete the answers using will for future, because our grammar is just about will and won't. And then match them with the questions. Look at here, questions are here, the answers are here. First we are going to fill the gaps, then here write from 1 to 5. We are going to fill here. So look at the first one. I will have lots, I love children. Which one do you think? Look at number 3. How many children will you have? The answer is I will have lots. I love children. So we match them. Yes, it's one of the answers is here. Number 1. I think I will live in Japan for a year before I go to university. So come here, we want to match them. I will live in Japan. Which one can be? Maybe number 1. Will you ever live in another country, or will you go to university after school? This is number 1, yes, exactly, because we are talking about living in another country. So said, I think I will live in Japan for a year. A sports car, where is sports car? Look at here, number 2. Talk about sports car, yes. A sports car, no, I don't think I will ever even drive a car. We have drive, here we use the verb, and will here. I don't think I will ever even drive a car. So this is his answer, yes, and we match it with number 2 here. I think the driving test before I go to university. So which one is that? I think 0. When will you learn to drive? I think I will take the driving test before I go to university. Yes, 0. Because we are talking about when will you learn to drive it. It said that I think I will take the driving test before using the car. You should have the driving test, yes, before I go to university. And then I really don't know, but I'm sure I won't get married for a long time. Which one? Number 4, yes. When do you think you will get married? I really don't know, but I'm sure I won't get married for a long time. So this is her or his answer, yes. I won't finish it. I won't get married for a long time. I won't get married before finishing the university, before finishing the school. It's up to you, all the answers. This is number 4. And the last one, yes, I think I will do that, but I'm not sure what I want to study yet. And this is the last one, yes, our number 5. Will you go to university after school? I think I will do, but I'm not sure what I want to study. So I'm sure, I predict that I will go to university, but now I'm not sure what I want to study. Maybe mathematics, maybe engineering, maybe something else. It's up to you. So these two exercises, 3 and 4, are really good for practicing. Just for yourself, write the answer the question, write the question, then answer them, or talk with your friends on the phone, or if you see them. These are really good to understand this one. So just I want to come back here. We finished part 1, part 2, and part 3, just grammar parts. And also here we have vocabulary. You can do it at home. These are really easy because you know all of them. Yes, you know all of them. Ankle, back, elbow, knees, lips, neck, shoulder, stomach, throat, tongue. You can just mash them. It's really easy. Just here, I want to show you the answers, that much. Look at here. Because all of them you know. This is about A1, okay? All of them, you know, there is no need to practice it again. But for listening parts, the next lesson, the next video, we will listen all the listening parts and we will do it together, okay? So I hope that you understand the grammar, everything very well. Thanks for listening and watching this video.